everyone, welcome back to IntelliSkills. In today's video, we are going to see 8 different examples of how to use filter method in our projects. So let us quickly get an overview of those 8 scenarios. In the first scenario, we filter a list of strings. In the second scenario, we filter a list of integers. In the third example, we filter a list of objects. In the fourth one, we filter a map. In the fifth one, we chain multiple filters. In the sixth one, we use custom predicate with filter. In the seventh one, we handle null values using filter. And in the eighth scenario, we use parallel streams with filter. If you practice these 8 examples, you can crack any interview on this topic and also work in any project using this method fluently. So please watch the full video without skipping it. In our first scenario, we have to filter a list of strings. So let us quickly declare a list of strings. We have Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar and Mbappe here. Now we want to print only the names that start with M. Okay, so first we convert the list to stream. So names.stream. Then we can use the filter method over here. So let us pass a lambda expression inside the parenthesis. First we take string name as the input, followed by an arrow. Then we say name dot starts with, we pass M inside the parenthesis. So this way we can get the names that start with M. Then we collect it into one list called filtered names. Let us do it. Let us print the list now. Run the program. You can see we have got Messi and Mbappe, the names that start with M. This is how you can use the filter method. In the second scenario, we filter a list of integers. So let us quickly declare a list of integers. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the list. Now we want to print only the even numbers from the list. Okay. So for that we use numbers.stream. We convert the list to stream. Then we use the filter method. Okay. And inside the parenthesis we pass a lambda expression. That is, we take integer number as the input, followed by an arrow. And then we pass the logic for the even numbers. Okay. Let us collect it into a list and assign it into even numbers list. Now let us print the list. Run the program. You can see we have got 2, 4 and 6, the even numbers from the list. Okay. So in this way also you can use the filter method. In the third scenario, we filter a list of objects. So let us quickly declare a person class, which will have string name and int age as the fields. We will also use all argument constructor and toString from Lombok. Now in the main method, let us declare a list of person objects. The first person we can give Messi with age 30. The second person we can give Ronaldo with age 20. The third person we can give Neymar with age 25. Now we want to print only the people whose age is greater than 22. Okay, so for that we convert the list to stream. Then we use the filter method. Okay, then we take person object as the input. Then we say person.age greater than 22. Then we use the collect method. Now let us collect it into the filtered people list. Let us print using for each. Run the program. You can see we have got Messi age 30 and Neymar age 25. Both are greater than ages 22. Okay, so this is correct. So this way also you can use filter method for objects. In the fourth scenario, we filter a map. Okay, so let us quickly declare a map. We will have 3 values in this map. First value will be Sachin with age 30. Second value, let's say Rohit with age 20. Third value, let's say Lara with age 25. Now we want to check if the values from each key value pair is greater than 21 or not. Okay. So for that, let us convert map.entrySet to stream. Then let us use the filter method, and inside the filter method we take entry as the input. Then we say entry.getValue greater than 21. Now let us collect it into one list. We will assign it into a new list called filtered map. Okay. Now let us print the map using for each. Run the program. You can see we have got Lara age 25 and Sachin age 30. Both are greater than 21. Okay. So this way you can use a filter for filtering a map. Okay. In the fifth scenario, we chain multiple filters. Okay. Let us quickly declare a list of string. We have Messi, Ronaldo, Sachin, Ronak, Sunil and Rani. Okay. Now I want to print only the names that start with R. Okay. So let us convert the list to stream. Then we use the filter method. We take string name as the input. Then we say name dot starts with we say R. Let us collect it into one list and assign it into filtered names list. We print the list, run the program. You can see we have got Ronaldo, Ronak and Rani. Okay. Now I want to print the names that start with R, but along with that I also want to check if the name length is greater than 5. Then only I'll print it. Okay. So we can use another filter method for that. Okay. So right below the first filter we'll use a second filter. We take string name as the input. Then we say name dot length greater than 5. Okay, this way we are checking. Let us again run the program. You can see we have got Ronaldo and Ronak this time. Rani is omitted because Rani's length is 4, not 5. So this is called chaining multiple filters. Okay, one filter after the other. This one. Okay, so this way also you can use the filter method. In the sixth scenario, we use custom predicate with filter. Okay, so first let us quickly declare a list of integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is our target? We will find the even numbers which are greater than 5 from this list. Okay. First, we convert the list to stream. Then we use the filter method. Inside the filter method, we pass a lambda expression that says if the number is even or not. Let us collect and then we'll assign this into filtered numbers list. Let us print the filtered numbers list. On running the program, you can see the output is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Now, if you select the lambda expression that we have written and right click on it, say refactor, and inside it you select introduce variable, you can see it introduces a predicate, integer predicate. Okay. And assigns the lambda expression to it. That means this lambda expression is a predicate and it returns only true or false boolean values. Okay. Let us change the name to is even. That means instead of the lambda expression in the filter method, we can pass is even predicate also. Now let us run the program. We can see that the same result is printed 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we have to also check the greater than 5 condition. So we declare another predicate which is greater than 5. We take integer number as the input and we say number greater than 5. Okay. If you want to use the another predicate also in the same filter, then we can use the AND method for that, and we pass the is greater than 5 predicate. We can also use another AND. We can use multiple ANDs to use multiple predicates. Okay. Now we don't need it. Okay. So let us remove it. Run the program. You can see we have got 6, 8 and 10. The even numbers which are greater than 5. Okay, so this way also you can use the filter method. In scenario 7, we will handle null values using filter method. Okay, so let us quickly declare a list of string. Amitabh, null. Govinda, Rajinikanth, null. Rajesh. These are the values. So the list contains 2 null values. Okay. Now we want to print the elements of the list which are not null. So for that we convert the list to stream. Then we use the filter method. And inside the filter method we take string name as the input. Then we say name not equal to null. Okay. Then we collect. We assign it into non-null names list. Then we print the list. Run the program. You can see we have got Amitabh, Govinda, Rajnikant, Rajesh. There are no null values printed. Now instead of using the name not equal to null, we can also use non-null from objects class. Run the program. You can see the same result is printed. Amitabh, Govinda, Rajnikant, Rajesh. Okay, so this way also you can use filter method for handling null values. In the 8th scenario, we use parallel streams with filter. So first let us create the list of numbers. Okay, so we use instream.range closed 1 to 100. That means the range closed method, okay, over here generates a stream of integers from 1 to 100. Okay, and let me tell you, int stream is a stream of primitive int values. Okay, then we use the boxed method, which converts the int stream to a stream of integers, which is it converts the stream of primitive int values to the wrapper class integer. Okay, this is because we want to collect the integers into a list of integer objects. Alright, then we use the collect method, and obviously we collect it into the list created, that is numbers. Now we will filter the list in parallel. Okay, we will print only the even numbers from that range. Alright, so we say numbers.parallel stream. Now what is a parallel stream? Parallel stream allows for a parallel processing which improves performance. Okay, so the processing is done parallelly, not one by one. Okay, then we use the filter method. We pass the lambda for even numbers. Okay, then we collect it into filtered numbers list. Okay, then we print the filtered list. We run the program. You can see all the even numbers within the range 1 to 100 is printed. Okay, and that is done parallelly using parallel stream. So this way also you can use parallel streams with filter. So that's all from our end. We have seen different ways in which we can use filter in our projects. If you want more coding practice videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. That's all from our end. Take care, keep practicing, keep learning, and bye.